Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Google Keep Notes and List. Okay, so this is the a note. It's released by Google, so you can keep any documents or anything on that note. So how can you download and install this? So go to Google Play Store, or you can download it from App Store. So I'm just going to click Google Play Store, and then search here Google Keep. Google Keep. And then you'll get here. By default, you maybe you might it might have in your device, but if it's not available in your device, then you can download it from Play Store and App Store. So I already downloaded it in my device, so you should click on install button, and it takes few moments to download in your device. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.